How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your 8bitdo controller to PS5. Now, to answer these questions off the get-go, unfortunately, natively we cannot connect our controller to PS5, but of course there's ways in order for us to do this. Well, actually the first thing that you have to do is to search for something like a third-party software or hardware that's going to be something like the Brook Wingman right here. Now, this enables us to connect different types of controller with our PS5, and that includes the 8bitdo controller that we have right here, because unfortunately this controller is built for PC and Xbox only. So you need to go ahead and get yourself one of this. Just plug the USB stick onto the USB port of the PS5 and then plug something like the USB dongle or the wire dongle, wire cable to the other end of the Brook Wingman. So there's a lot of this third-party hardwares that you could go ahead and search for on Amazon, on AliExpress or eBay. So you could just basically go ahead and get yourself one of this, and from there you should be good to go. Because once again, unfortunately, the controller is built for PC and Xbox only. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.